Hello once again. So today's episode, what we are going to cover? We are going to cover the information on whole of life insurance. Yes, whole of life insurance. What is that? All right, start. Have you ever come across the situation where somebody has quoted you for life insurance premium $1,000 a month and another advisor quoted you for $300 a month? Huge difference, isn't it? How come these differences arise? So we're going to talk about that differences, because what is the difference in these two type of insurance? Where are you compromising? As I say, empower yourself with the knowledge and make your own decision, make your own plan. When it comes to life insurance, not many type of insurance available. Yes, many providers in the market for sure. When it comes to whole of life insurance, what is whole of life insurance? Is a permanent solution. Do you like to pay the rent for your house, or you like to pay the installment of your mortgage? I know, I've been hearing a lot. People say, oh, I love to have my own house, rather I pay the mortgage and live in that house. Yes, exactly. So that's what is whole of life insurance is. It's solution to your permanent problem. If you have a temporary problem, you look for a temporary solution. But if you have a permanent problem, look for a permanent product. That's why it is called whole of life, which may remain with you for throughout your life. You can have a different payment method. So I'm going to explain you how whole of life insurance is different from another term insurance life, and how does it works. Does it really fit for you? You decide. So let's look at it. What is whole of life insurance is. Here we go. This is your age. Imagine you're 25 and that's your age cycle goes on till age 100. If you need to cover yourself for throughout your life, you gotta pay the premium for throughout the life to cover yourself. But here the whole insurance beauty comes in. Not many of the people who really want to pay after they retire. Usually after 60, nobody wants to pay for it. If you're expert, you're also looking even more shorter scenario. I mean, living in Dubai, of course, we look at not too long scenario where you are gonna pay for next 20 years. Who has seen 20 years, 25 years, right? So people want to finish off their premium faster, but still want to be covered for throughout the life. That's the meaning of whole of life. So here, as I look at it, your premium also goes up as your age grows. But insurance companies has come up, okay, fine, I cover you for throughout the life, but you pay only for a limited period to me. And how much time you want to pay for? What is comfortable to you? Next 10 years, next 15 years, next 20 years. Averagely, I've seen experts being comfortable paying 15 years here. So I look at it here. 40. If you are already 25, so 40 is the age. Let's say person is paying for it. What insurance company is doing it? They decide the premium right now for you and tell you to pay for next 10 year or 15 year or 20 year. You can choose number of years you want to pay for it. And you may see the premium is very high on that if your age is already above 40. Yet it start getting expensive as your age grows. Younger you are, your premium is very negligible. You can simply consider it as a saving, simple saving, and go for it. By the way, beauty of whole of life insurance is it has some cash values lying in that. How? Suppose you're going to pay the premium to insurance company every year by increasing number. Practically, we cannot pay for it after 60. What if we look at it and tell you, okay, insurance company, I'm going to pay only for first 20 years and finish it off all my premium. How insurance company define your premium right now? So basically what they're going to cover up this area in this area right now. So instead of charging you this one later, they charge you upfront a little bit more. So you pay everything right now, a lot more premium. And what they do with the premium, they invest your premium so then they can survive your policy for whole of your life. Yes, that means it has a cash value into it, right? Most of the products available in UAE have hefty charges in the first 2 years. Therefore, you don't actually see any cash values into that. At next 15 years down the line, 20 years down the line, you can start seeing the cash is becoming bigger and bigger and good enough. If you decide not to want this policy anymore after 20 years, you can walk away with the available account balance into that. But the purpose, if you still have the same purpose to cover yourself for throughout the life, then keep the policy as it is, and it covers you for throughout the life. This is the whole of life thing. What is more interesting into that? Another interesting part of whole of life is it is flexible. It is flexible in terms of paying premiums. Yes. Imagine if you lose your job 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, if you're not able to pay the premium, if there's sufficient cash in your policy, you can take premium holidays and just skip the premium for some time as long as you are not able to pay for it. As long as your policy can survive without any another cash coming into it. That kind of flexibility you don't get into term insurance. Here, you can also reduce your premium, you can increase your premium. Those kind of flexibilities coming into the whole of life insurance. Who buys this whole of life insurance? In my personal experience, I have seen the people with families, they love to buy this thing. Single women or working women, they are more considerate about their own health. They buy this along with the income protection plan as well. I have been having lots more clients who love the whole of life plan much better than the another inexpensive way. We will definitely cover up inexpensive way of insuring yourself in next series. Right now, I'm talking more on whole of life insurance. Who all are distributing this product currently in UAE? Currently in UAE, couple of companies, I name it there. The most popular one is Zurich International, MetLife, Orient Life, and also Takaful Emirates, Salama Insurance are the one who are covering whole of life products right now. Yes, we will come to the each product reviews later on, but as you can see that these are the companies that are most popular in the market here right now. I trust this information is useful to you and empowering you to know what is whole of life insurance, because tomorrow begins today.